I guess it's time to finally get this cover installed. All right, now if you check on, hold on here a second, Modern Performance's website, to make this work with the MPX cam gears, we have to trim this little piece off right here. So, and this kind of makes it look a little goofy like that. So they want us to cut this all the way off down to here, maybe halfway. Do we grind just the outer cover? You know, be a little bit more helpful if it actually showed a little bit more here on what you have to trim. I did get a set of these installed on another vehicle. It had different it had the different timing gears. I forget what brand they were off the top of my head. It actually fit quite well, believe it or not. So that looks like that's some of that aftermarket cover flex going on there. So yeah, so I guess I don't know if I should try cutting this extra piece here off and just making it even, or actually getting down in here and taking that off. But I guess we're going to start with this one and this one. I'm going to try something and see if it works, and I'll let you know what I did, and then we can get this thing fitted up. Well, this is some pretty tough stuff. Basically, I got in on the inner edge and kind of cut. The first time I did kind of overshoot this just a little bit, so I put a little nick, but you ain't going to see that. So basically what I did was I got a sharp razor very carefully, and you have to really control this, because I'm pretty picky, because I don't know how much to trim and I don't want to damage this. You know, this isn't a cheap cover, but it is made pretty good. So I kind of just tore that off to see if I could get on the other side, the rubber. So basically I kind of like marked that with the knife. You can kind of see almost I got through it pretty good, and then I just took a pair of these, rocked it ever so slightly back and forth after I got cut through pretty good with this, and I was able to almost like snap it off. I don't know if this is going to be any better here. You can see what's there and what's not now. I still have to take that little end piece off right there, but I basically did that, and then I came back in very gently and just kind of shaved lightly with this, because I thought about cutting this, but then I thought if I get heat on here cutting it, I could end up white. It would actually, the heat might turn this clear plastic white. So this seems to be working out pretty good. I don't know if there's any other videos or any other information on this up on YouTube as far as cutting these for the SRT4 for the MPX cam gear, but I got this little bit here yet, and we'll trim this off and we'll see if this fits, because that pretty much should cover the area in the photo. Okay, so I now have every part of this trimmed off. That would be in their diagram. Let's see if we can get this to fit down in here. All right. I think we have a go here. All right, check this thing out here. All right, I think that's pretty much what you got to do to get that on there. I just got to figure out where I got the actual bolts. Then I can get that thing screwed down. And then once that's in, I can get the upper mount in and I can start running my fuel line, which you'll see in the next video. All right, there it is. Clear timing cover installed on some MPX gears.